top minutes across the track into the exciting world of golf with guest stars. Fry and the Family Stone, the Pirates, and the Soul Train Gang. Brought to you in part by Johnson Products Company, makers of Ultra Sheen, Astro Sheen, and Ultra Sheen Cosmetics. And now, here's your host, Don Cornelius. Right on top of another mind-blowing journey on the Soul Train. And this is Sly Stone and the Stone family will begin doing just that to you right after these important messages.